Visionis is proud to introduce our single 12-volt indoor and outdoor mini 120-pound electromagnetic lock series. These type of locks are to be used for all types of access control systems. You can use these type of locks for cabinets, small doors, gates, and much more. Model VIS-ML120 is our indoor model. Model VIS-ML120 OTD is our outdoor model. Here we will show you the measurements of each lock and armature plate listed in this video. In this section we will show you all the Maglock features and the unboxing of the Maglocks. All packaging is subject to change. This is the ML-120 indoor lock, and this is the ML-120 ODT outdoor lock. These Maglocks include a positive red wire and a black negative wire. In most applications, these are the only wires you will need. These locks also count on low power consumption, 12 volt 120 mA. All locks include the armature plates that will be installed on the door, and the heavy portion of the lock is installed on the frame of the door. All mounting hardware for an out-swinging door is included. Both locks are fail-safe, which means that when there is no power, the lock will open or unlock. Here you will see that the power is on and all the devices are locked. Now we will shut down the power and you will see that the locks are open or unlocked. These locks do not bring an LED light sensor that indicates the status of the locks. You may use these type of locks with an access control standalone system or an access control panel. These locks do not include power supply. For kits with power supply, please search the following model numbers. Now we will show you some examples of some installations.